Well, I hope you guys are having a great day. It's a nice sunny day here in California. Just happened to get hold of another 2020 Hyundai Tucson. I'm going to show you how to reset the service interval, service reminder, the oil light reminder. We're going to use the buttons right here on your dashboard and the digital display right there next to your odometer. Gonna go ahead and press this button here. This is your menu button, and we're gonna scroll over till you get to the gear symbol that you have right there. That's your user settings, and then you're gonna use the up and down arrows right here and go down to service interval, and you have an OK button. Just press the OK button. Now we can enable the whole system on and off with that check mark there. I'm going to press this OK, and it'll either turn the system off and on. Okay, sometimes some people want it, some people don't. Honda gives you that option, which is pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and you can actually adjust and set how long you want to go. The first number is like 10,000, 20,000, which isn't something really recommended. Go back to, so we're gonna go ahead and just press OK to bypass the first number, and we can set it for miles. Okay, so that's gonna be 5,000 miles right there. We're gonna press OK. Okay, and this is how long before it reminds you, and we're going to set this thing up for 6 months. All right, save. And now when it reminds you, all you need to do is just go to reset and hit yes, and it'll reset the whole reminder when it starts reminding you. It's that simple. Well, if the video was helpful, please do us a favor here in the shop and hit the thumbs up button if the video was helpful.